guys, this is Katie Colleen with Colleen Cosplay, and I am going to do a Supergirl inspired cosplay makeup look today. And this will be for my James Charles casting call official entry. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. And it's gonna be just a quick kind of summary. Previously on Colleen Cosplay, get to know me, fun little extravaganza. So what I do mostly is cosplay. So I do tutorials to make costumes, I do a lot of sewing, I style wigs, and I do makeup as part of cosplay. Okay, I am going to be digging into the James Charles palette, and I'm just gonna go into the eye look. I'm doing quite a bit of this off camera because I only have 5 minutes to do this. So I'm also making videos for the disabled cosplay community. I do have a disability. I have chondrosis in my left knee, so the cartilage is deteriorating. My saying has always been on this channel that my disability may be my weakness, but overcoming it is my strength, and how I believe that being mentally strong enough to overcome a disability, a challenge in your life, it makes you stronger overall, and that is your strength, and that you don't want to hide it, and how I just don't feel like you should have to hide your disability, especially in creative expression like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go into some blue now. I'm gonna do yellow and then blue and then red on the outer edge. And then some other little things about me, because there's some things that for the competition and application thing that we just need to kind of get out of the way. So I am over 18. And I do live in the United States. I am in the Pacific Northwest, and that is the location of all the conventions I attend as well. So I do have an active YouTube channel. I post weekly, generally on Sunday mornings. So like with all my cosplay looks, this is just gonna look a little crazy, and it's gonna look less crazy when I get a costume and a wig on. You just really have to have a lot going on or it gets drowned out. So now I'm gonna get the red involved too. Right now I look like a parrot. That is not what I wanted. We'll see how this pans out. I'm gonna look like a snow cone. You know those rainbow snow cones? That's what we got going on here. Okay, and since this is for like a beauty influencer competition, you can argue if you would consider cosplay under the beauty community. I definitely would. I think I'm supposed to say why I would be a good choice. I would bring a lot of diversity, I guess. I can also sew my own costumes. I can style wigs, and I can make props, and I also do design work. I design dresses and then I will sew them. I'm actually designing and sewing my own wedding dress, so I'm excited for that as well. I feel like I definitely have a lot to offer outside of just makeup. So if you guys want like a tutorial, whether that be for Supergirl makeup or to look like a parrot, I'm good with either. So if you want to in the comments, let me know if you would like an actual tutorial about this. I don't have enough time to go into a tutorial during this video, but if you'd like a tutorial, please let me know in the comments, and I will definitely do that for you guys. Since this is a cosplay look, I still have to get a wig on, and I still have to get into costume. I sewed a new Supergirl costume, and I'm so happy to debut it in this video for you guys. So if you would like to see how I made this top and skirt, I will be making a full tutorial, and I'll put that in the description down below. And if you'd like to see how I sewed my giant flowy Supergirl cape, I already have that posted, so you can check that out. I had so much fun doing this kind of crazy look. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.